Okay, I'm at one entrance to Velcro Alley Cave. It's a short cave, so I'm gonna go in here without my backpack this time, so I can go through a little faster and easier. I'm not gonna do the side passage. Maybe if I come back with other people, we can try that. So anyway, the main tube, it's not that hard. But yeah, there's a, oops, hang on. It's a side passage over there. I'm gonna skip that. There's like a lot of fur and stuff in here. I'm pretty sure coyotes have been using this as a den. Stinks in here too. Oh, yeah. Okay. So Velcro Alley C265. C265. All right. So there's the way in. I'm going to turn around and go feet first though, so I can not slip too badly. Don't want to get stuck upside down. All right, so here's the side passage. It's a bit tight. Sure, there's some room to explore back there. If I don't feel like climbing up through here today, so I'll wait till I come back with other people. Make it worth the trip. Excuse me. I'm standing up here. Ceiling's about 7 feet tall, just in this one spot. But now I'm crawling out on my elbows. All right. There we go. All right. So there's Velcro Alley Cave.